Hi guys, welcome to Tech Videos. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use focus mode on iPhone for productivity. So let's go to the control center, then you'll find here your focus mode. Click on focus mode. Now you'll be finding here three things: do not disturb, four things: personal, work, sleep. You can add your credential on this. So the first thing is, let's go to do not disturb. Click on three dot beside the do not disturb. Now go to settings. Now you can customize your do not disturb from here. Go to people and choose the people. Click on plus icon and choose the people from your contact who can call you while you are in do not disturb mode. Okay, you can add your people from here. You can see there add calls, allow calls from everybody. If you change this, you can contacts only, you can make it favorites, you can make it allowed people only. So allowed people will be here, this one what you choose from to be in your list. Okay, I'm choosing everybody. So second thing is the application. Beside people you can see the application or apps, which application are allowed for your do not disturb mode, which application is allowed to send you notifications or things while you are turned on do not disturb mode. Okay, so let's go to this application first, then click on plus icon. Then you can add or disconnect your application from here. Facebook, Gmail, I mean this kind of app will allow you to send notification when you are on do not disturb mode. Okay, now you can see here the filter or add schedule. You can click on add schedule and you can schedule your application. You can choose your lock screen from here, do not disturb mode lock screen. You can do it from here. And secondly, you can see the filter on the top bottom left corner. Click on plus icon or you can choose any filters like this: music, messages, center, email, or things like this. You can do this. Okay, so let's go to now the second step, which is personal mode. If you go to three dot personal mode, go to settings, you can see that no people is allowed here, but you can allow people if you want, like I show you before. Click on plus icon and you can add from your contacts list to here. And then you can see the apps. These apps are allowed you to send notification. If you want to change it, you have to click on this minus button or minus icon, which is top. Okay, again showing you minus from top, or you can make it plus, and you can add any other applications from here, like this health. Click on done, which is top right corner. Health is added here. Okay, you can see the time sensitive notifications. Allow apps that are silenced to send notification mark as time sensitive immediately. If you want to notification immediately, you can turn this on. Okay, so basically this is the simple solutions for every simple thing like work or sleep. And another, do not disturb personal, everything is same. You just need to add or disconnect application or people from your list, or you can add from your list. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the